Torrential slide value equivalent to 284.65 rands a coin. The present cost range, 280.7 to 291.14. The earlier day close, 288.72. The change was 4.07, 1.41%. Reverse rate, ZAR to AVAX. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost 288 rands, high 308, low 268. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost 302 rands, high 323, low 281. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost 301 rands, high 322, low 280. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, June 1, cost 289 rands, high 309, low 269. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost 287 rands, high 307, low 267. In multi-week torrential slide figure on Monday, June 5, cost 295 rands, high 316, low 274. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost 290 rands, high 310, low 270. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, June 7, cost 292 rands, high 312, low 272. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost 292 rands, high 312, low 272. Torrential slide estimate on Friday, June 9, cost 279 rands, high 299, low 259. In about 14 days torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost 286 rands, high 306, low 266. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, June 13, cost 287 rands, high 307, low 267. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost 292 rands, high 312, low 272. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, June 15, cost 299 rands, high 320, low 278. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost 292 rands, high 312, low 272. In 3 weeks torrential slide estimate on Monday, June 19, cost 299 rands, high 320, low 278. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost 288 rands, high 308, low 268. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, June 21, cost 289 rands, high 309, low 269. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost 288 rands, high 308, low 268. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, June 23, cost 272 rands, high 291, low 253. In about a month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost 269 rands, high 288, low 250. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, June 27, cost 255 rands, high 273, low 237. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2023. Initially cost at 312 rands, excessive cost 347, while low cost 255. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 304. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 301, change for May 3.5%. Torrential slide figure for June 2023. Initially cost at 301 rands, excessive cost 339, while low cost 237. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 299. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 317, change for June 5.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2023. In the first place cost at 317 rands, exorbitant cost 337, while low cost 293. The found the middle value of cost 316. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 315, change for July 0.6%. Torrential slide gauge for August 2023. In the first place cost at 315 rands, exorbitant cost 339, while low cost 295. The found the middle value of cost 317. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 317, change for August 0.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023. In the first place cost at 317 rands, exorbitant cost 317, while low cost 270. The found the middle value of cost 299. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 290. Change for September 8.5%. Torrential slide gauge for October 2023. In the first place, cost at 290 rands. Exorbitant cost 360, while low cost 290. The found the middle value of cost 319. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 336. Change for October 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else, cost at 336 rands. Excessive cost 336, while low cost 262. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 304. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 282. Change for November 16.1%. Torrential slide conjecture for December 2023. Before all else, cost at 282 rands. Excessive cost 282, while low cost 220. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 255. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 237. Change for December 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else, cost at 237 rands. Excessive cost 287, while low cost 237. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 257. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 268. Change for January 13.1%. Torrential slide conjecture for February 2024. Before all else, cost at 268 rands. Excessive cost 274, while low cost 238. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 259. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 256. Change for February 4.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. First and foremost, cost at 256 rands. Exorbitant cost 256, while low cost 200. The found the middle value of cost 232. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 215. Change for spring 16.0%. Torrential slide estimate for April 2024. First and foremost, cost at 215 rands. Exorbitant cost 266, while low cost 215. The found the middle value of cost 236. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 249. Change for April 15.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. To start with, cost at 249 rands. Exorbitant cost 249, while low cost 194. The found the middle value of cost 225. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 209. Change for May 16.1% ZAR to AVAX swapping scale equivalent to 0.3513 coins per 100 rands. The present reach 0.3435 minus 0.3562. The earlier days nearby 0.3464. Change for now plus